Yes, man. My gosh, I'm dead. I'm just gonna reposition this down here. Let's do this. That guy doing me just ruined everything for me, man. Everything. Just unlock those servers back there.
Welcome to Kalani's Toys World! Hey guys! Welcome to Kalani's
You already said that!
Toys World! So today, we're gonna be revealing Caleb toys as he got him on his field trip at school!
Okay, let's go to it. Okay. Okay, so guys. So the first toy that we're gonna be doing is a Nerf gun.
Okay.
So look,
the Nerf gun.
I got this Nerf gun.
He hit me in the head and my back, but it didn't hurt because
It doesn't shoot that hard.
yeah, because
I wanted to.
it's just for aim practice, cause it goes with these little things.
Yeah. So look, let me show you guys. Alright, how you do? Okay, so look, you do like that, and then you make. Oh, ain't no bullets in here. See? So yeah,
That's
that
the
was
first
the first
one.
toy. And now let's drive
Cars.
So now we got Bumblebee and Optimus Prime. So I know you don't really see Optimus Prime and Bumblebee, but if you take them apart, well, if you don't really, not really take them apart, but like if you like uncarify them or whatever you say, like unmake them a car, then
You just have to.
Optimus Prime.
Oh look, you just have to flip mine over and then you go see
This is
mine.
Bumblebee.
You go see Bumblebee just if you flip it over.
Look, this is Bumblebee. See, you can see his head right there. But I'm gonna undo this somehow. Oops. That comes off though. Yeah, you can put that back on. Okay, so that's the toys, guys. And now for my favorite one. So you see these baby Transformers? Nah, those are dumb.
Save the best one for
Big
last.
Transformer. Yeah, save the best for last. Okay, and now I got this. This is the worst. Okay, we gotta hurry up and get this through these. Okay. And now my Halloween costume. And for the best. And it can actually transform. I'm about to transform it and. Oops. Okay, so look guys, turn it to a chat. Bye.